Hey, how's it going? Charles here from AllCoastLawncare and Pressure Washing. Hey, so I put it in my heart just to make a little video of the basics of downstreaming, how to use a downstream injector, what is downstreaming, and how to hook up everything from the pressure washer, the whip to the downstream injector to the pressure washer hose. Because you know what, when I first started pressure washing, house washing, I have no clue what downstreaming was. All right, but so this video is for you. Okay, please hit that like button, that subscribe button. I hope this video get out on YouTube for all those trying to learn how to basic downstream with a pressure washer. All right, here we go. Let me show you. Here we go, y'all. 4 gallon per minute pressure washer, Honda engine. All right, with the general pump. Okay, so. Right there, here you go, 4 gallon per minute pressure washer. And on this right here, I have a dolly with a water hose reel and a pressure washer hose reel. Okay, I got the water hose already ran out to the spigot over there, and I got the other end of the water hose over here. The thing broke for the whip to the water hose, so I just used that as a reel. Okay, and I just connect the hose straight over here. There's 100 foot of Flexzilla hose. I highly recommend it. I have 100 feet of pressure washer hose with another 50 feet of pressure washer hose. So a total of 150 feet, okay? All right, I already got my, the water's on. Okay, I got the ball valve right here. It's turned on. I keep it on so when I turn on the pressure washer, it won't mess up the pump. All right, so I always want to let water run through the pressure washer, or just keep her hand on the gun, finger on the trigger, all right, to release that pressure, then start the pressure washer. But I just do that, y'all. I leave it open and then I start the pressure washer. Okay, so for downstream, okay, so this is the whip right here, y'all. Okay, water goes in the water hose, and the pressure comes out of this whip. Okay, they come in like 3 feet. This is like a little bit longer whip. So right here, this right here is the downstream injector. Okay, this is the whip, downstream injector, and then the male end connects to the pressure hose reel. Okay, or to the pressure hose. Okay, but this right here is a downstream injector, a 2.1 downstream injector, and we're gonna downstream, and there's 1 gallon of water. What is the old surfactant? I use surfactant. I use lemon dancer. All right, I'm just using this as a what do you call it, an example. All right, so that's some soap suds in there. So we're gonna downstream this. Okay, all right. So what I do first is I'm going to turn on the pressure washer. When I turn that on, I'm going to hook up the gun, and then once the gun's hooked up, I'm going to throw that inside here, and whenever I put my finger on the trigger, I am downstreaming, y'all. You're going to see that slowly start disappearing, okay, because I'm downstreaming through this hose right here. Through this hose, and with water, it's getting diluted all the way up to the pressure washer hose, all the way down and out the gun. Okay, so here we go. All right, it's on. I got pressure. I'm gonna turn it off. It's off. Put the gun on. All right, I got the gun on. Ball valve is back on. With the gun, release that pressure. All right, I'm using a M5 twist right here. Okay. Right now, I'm gonna throw the hose for a downstream injector inside the bucket. All right, look at that, y'all. Okay. I am downstreaming now. how it's going down. The water, all right, this is an example of SH, okay? Pretend you have a gallon of SH in there and you're downstreaming. What do you think, y'all? Hey, leave a comment. There's an M5 twist. I use an M5 twist to downstream. It takes me roughly 4 gallons to 5 gallons of SH to do a house. I downstream the SH. When I'm done downstreaming the SH, I take that hose out the bucket and then I rinse. But first, before I rinse, I'll drop the downstream hose into 5 gallons of fresh water so I can rinse out all that SH out the hose. All right, y'all, that's downstreaming 101 with the pressure washer. Tell me what you think. All right, leave a comment if you have any questions. All right, I ain't saying I'm the professional of all professionals, but I've learned the basics, and this is the basics, y'all, okay? You want to make money into washing houses, get a downstream injector. Never apply pressure to a house, all right? That's not what cleans a house. Pressure will ruin the house. You downstream, all right, SH, okay? Sodium hypochlorite, bleach, pool shock. Okay, you can also get it at Walmart, all right? It's called Pool Essentials. They sell at Home Depot, at Lowe's. Okay, go to your nearest pool dealer, wherever they swimming pools. Okay, they sell shock, all right? Sodium hypochlorite. The key is sodium hypochlorite, SH, all right? So what I downstream with is with 12.5% SH. Okay, so after it gets diluted from the it comes up the hose all the way to the pressure washer hose out the gun. After that dilution, it comes out to about 1.25% SH. Okay, so that's not too strong. It's definitely not weak. It's just right. Okay, but ideally you want to downstream with like at least like 0.9%. All right, if you're gonna be downstreaming with 0.25% when it's real hot out. You want to hurry up and rinse it off, okay? Because it could damage the siding, all right? Especially stained windows, okay? Other than that, y'all, that's Downstreaming 101 right there with Charles from Coast Lawn Care. Please leave a comment. I hope this really helped out anybody that's learning how to downstream. I ain't lying, man. I was confused at first. You know what I mean? Like downstreaming. What do you mean downstream? 1.2% SH. I have 12.5% SH I got from my dealer. I was like confused, man. I was like diluting the SH with water first before I was downstreaming, okay? Don't get that mixed up, all right? Don't dilute the water with SH, okay? Because you're gonna downstream it. When it comes out the gun, it's gonna be even more weak, all right? So downstream 10% SH. All right, at your local Walmart, get Pool Essentials, Pool Shock. All right, it's SH, okay? Look at the bottle. It should say 10% SH or 12.5% SH, okay? Anything weaker than that, when you downstream, it's gonna come out the gun probably real weak, and it's not gonna really like wash the house good, okay? So the SH is what cleans off all that algae, mold, bacteria, organic growth off the house, all right? And once you lay it on there, let it dwell for like about 5 minutes and then rinse it off with water, okay? So remember, after you downstream SH, get another 5-gallon bucket of fresh water, put the downstream hose in there, and then downstream that while you're rinsing off the house, okay? Because at the same time you're rinsing off the house, you're rinsing your pressure washing hose, all right, with fresh water, okay? If you don't rinse it with fresh water, the SH in time is gonna corrode the wiring inside the hose, all right? And it's gonna mess it up, and you're gonna have like a broke hose or a popped hose, torn hose, or bad equipment. Okay. Other than that, y'all, hey, thanks for watching. Charles from AllCoastLawncare and Pressure Washing. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. God bless. See you on the next video. Bye.